Designing your perfect outdoor oasis starts with a foundation not just of stone, but of intention. At Outdoor Living Foundations, we blend time-honored building principles with precision modular engineering. The result? A seamless system that adapts to your vision, no compromises, just possibilities. What appears as timeless masonry is, in truth, a highly engineered secret beneath the surface. Inside every OLF structure is a refined system designed for both beauty and resilience. Appliance trays direct water out, not in. Sealed, finished floors keep interiors dry and pest-free. Rocket trim ensures perfect appliance fitment. Flashing seals your counters for lasting protection. And top access leveling feet mean fast, frustration-free installation. No rust, no rot, no decay even in the harshest environments. Here's how your journey begins. You send us a plan, a drawing, even a sketch. Tell us what appliances or features you want. The layout, the shape. We'll design the entire system using cut-to-fit, modular units tailored to your space. From our shop to your site, your system arrives flat-packed and ready. Assembly takes hours, not weeks. Waterproofing and finishes, often completed the same day. This isn't just outdoor living, it's engineered artistry, built to last a lifetime. Let's bring your vision to life. Reach out today, your dream space is just an email away.